Good morning, my dear. I hope you all are fine. Whatever the materials, videos given to you, you are watching as well as going through all the notes, assignments that are supplied to you through the WhatsApp. Students, today I am going to discuss the next part of chapter 2, that is data entry and keyboarding skills. Now, I will be explaining you the software also, and I will show you the demo also, that how you can install the typing software in your PC. Got it? Now this topic contains 4 parts. First one is touch typing. Next one, rapid typing, a touch typing software. Next, working with rapid typing software, and the last one, techniques for touch typing. These all topics I will cover, my dear, in this class. Now first of all, you have to know what is touch typing. Already you see in simple way I have written the definition so that you can understand it. The method of typing fast and in a fluent manner without even looking at the keyboard, without having an error, that is known as touch typing. Listen, my dear, when you are using the typewriter, you are pressing or hitting the keys hard, but when you are practicing this one on your PC, that means either the laptop on the desktop, your keys are soft, only you have to press a little bit so that you can get that letter visible on the screen. Don't try to be, yes, hard on the keys. If you will be hard on the keys, what will happen? Maybe the keys can be damaged, my dear. Now, without even looking at the keyboard is known as touch typing. This technique of typing was invented by Frank Edward McGurin. Yes, this person who invented the keyboard, understood? And wait, yes, which involves the use of muscles memory instead of eyesight at the time of typing. Listen, whenever we are doing any work, we never look at our fingers. Whenever we type it, we look directly on the screen, or we look where from where the contents to be yes typed, understood? Yes, that contents we have to look. Like if I am going to type, yes, any materials that is given in your book, my eyes should have on the text which is in the book as well as on the screen. Never have your eyes on the keyboard. Now, what are the softwares that are used for typing? For typing, yes, you are having many softwares. You are having Typing Master, Rapid Typing, Keyplace, yes, Data Type, Rapid Typing, Typelift, and Typing Bold. I'm going to discuss, my dear, in your book, it is given rapid typing. So I'm going to explain you how you will install the rapid typing. Use this, let's see. First of all, you have to go to Google Chrome. Now, here you have to write rapidtyping.com. Now, this web page will open. Now, you can see down. This is a button which will install rapid typing software. 5.3 is the version, my dear. So I am going to click on this. Now, just you can see, you are having download rapid typing in 64 bits and 32 bits. First, you have to check my Windows is of which bit. So for that, first of all, you have to go to my PC. You have to go to my PC or this PC or my computer. Click the right mouse button, choose properties. Now you can see, my dear, this page has opened. Now here you can see my system type, which is showing 64-bit operating system. If in your PC it is showing 32, then you have to download the other version. Got it? But in my PC it is showing 64-bit. So I will click on this button. Got it? If you have 32-bit, then you will click on this one. Got it? But my system supports 64-bit operating system. So what I will do, I will click on this button. Now you can see down, my already rapid typing.setup.exe file is downloaded. You can see, just you can see at the bottom, it is showing here. Understood? I think it is of 14 or 15 MB file. Understood? Now I am going to click on this and open. If you think that it has vanished from there, then what you will do it, you will go to the my PC, my computer, this PC, and then search for download. You can see download is given here. This button you have to click. Now you can see it is showing already that setup file. I will click on that setup file. As I will click, it will ask me. I will go for yes. Now you will be having your Windows step by step. I'm going to click on next. Now it is saying that you have to read the license. You read it. I already read, so I am going to click on I agree. Now you see, my dear, where you are going to locate your rapid typing master software. That location you have to give. By default, it is already set. So I agree with this path. So I will go for next. Now, when you will go to the next window, you will see here, it is asking, select the additional task you would like setup to perform while installing rapid typing. Now, I want this one to be set on the desktop. So I will click on this. And this one I will remove it. Click on install button. Now shortcut key will come on my desktop. And then finish. Now you can watch it, my dear. It has already come. You see, it has come. This software has come. Let me drag it here. Now you can understand it. This is my rapid typing software, which is already installed in my PC. Clear? Now, before that, you have to know few things. Now, you see, what the technique you have to apply, how you have to set your fingers on the keys of the keyboard. This is the last finger that you see. It should be on A, next one on S, next on D, and the last one on F. This thumb we will use for space. This one, now the right side, this one will be semicolon. This is L, this is K, and this is J. Again, this one for space bar. So you can see here, the home for fingers. Yes, actually here it is pointing 5 and 5. That is 10. Now, first of all, you have to practice that row. ASDF, ASDF, here semicolon LKJ, ASDF. Like this you practice 20, 30 times. And once you are habitual, you practice, then this finger which is next to the thumb, that you have to shift little bit right side. If it is my left, then little bit right side. That means so that my this finger can go, so that my this next to the thumb, this finger can go on G, and my right one next to the thumb, this can go on H. Got it? Now I will show you the figure by which you can understand. Just now you see, here you have one more button, that is H, and here you have the next button, that is G. Now you see, my dear, this finger which you are using, my dear, this finger I am saying, this finger should be used for G also. Now in this one you can see this finger which is on J, this must be used for H also. This is my first row. Now I am going to show you, my dear. Now you see my typing software is there. I am going to run it. For that, double time I have to click on that. Now you see, my dear, this typing software has come on my screen. You can see the fingers, how the fingers are kept on the keys. I'm going to practice it. A, this is for the first one. A, S. Now you can see it. A, S, D, F, G, semicolon, L, K, J, H. Now you can see, again I am showing you, my dear. You only see how my keys are pressed. A, S, just you see on the screen, the keyboard it is showing, my dear. There you see. First I will click on A, S, D, F. Now from here, semicolon, L, K, J. A, S, D, F, semicolon, L, K, J. A, S, D, F, semicolon, L, K, J. This you have to practice one day. Next day, what you will do it, you will do semi A, S, D, F, and then the same finger which you are using on F, that you have to shift little bit on G also. Here semicolon, L, K, J, and then to H. And this one is space bar, thumb is for space bar, A, S, D, F, G. Now I'm going to show you. Now, you just see here. ASDF semicolon LKJ. ASDF semicolon LKJ. ASDF semicolon LKJ. Now, like this you have to practice, and after that ASDF and then G semicolon LKJH. ASDF and then G semicolon LKJH. Same way you have to practice. So once your finger will be set on that one, then you can go above or the bottom rules. Clear? Now you see the home row is the row starting with the caps lock, and if you look at your keyboard you will notice two small bumps or line depending on your keyboard on F and J. Bump, you see, I'm saying you are having a button and that is showing F, and below you will see a line. Same way for the J also. This is called line. You can see if you are having the keyboard, actually you are using smartphone. If you are having keyboard, you can see just below F, you will see this line. It is talking about this. Now already I have given you the positioning, the movement also, and how to practice it. This all it is given here. Now student, now here you have to know about the training tips. Congratulations, you are now the master of home row. However, if you try to type anything, you will see that the home row is not enough, and you are not able to type anything other than this one. That means if you want to write other letters apart from A, S, D, F, G, semicolon, L, K, J, H, you can't do it. So first of all, as I said, you first you practice this one, and then you will be having the shuffling of word. Like I have to write sad. Using these all keys, you will write sad. Now I have to write dash, D-A-S-H, dash. Like this, you have to pick 2 letters, 3 letters to form a word, so that your shuffling of fingers can be done. Otherwise, you will not do it. Your habit will be only to go in a sequence way. But maybe first time your A will work, maybe next time I will press F. So in such a way you have to practice, yes, so that you will be competent enough to use or to handle the keys of the keyboard very nicely. Understood? And your typing speed will be also fast, my dear. So all things, you see, this has taken time, my dear, to write it, but you will read this one, you will understand everything, how to use the keys on the keyboard. You see, all things very nicely I have written, my dear. You will understand it. But listen, my dear, whenever you are doing this, you must have to keep some points in mind, my dear. Keep your feet on the floor to maintain balance. Don't cross your leg and do it. No. Your both, yes, feet, left and right. Who is writing? It's not good, my dear. So that should touch the floor. Next one, position your body to the H key. Hold your elbows at sides. Yes, this also, my dear. Keep your overall posture in straight. Yes, this also. Like don't bend and then type it. Clear? Now the chair should be 10 or 15 centimeter away from the keyboard. Don't be very near to the keyboard. Sit straight like this. Sit straight and then do it. Understood? Don't try to move your, yes, legs here and there. Hold your fingers curved over the home rows keys. Already I discussed. Remember to keep wrist off the keyboard. You will do this quite often. You see, only one thing you keep it in mind. That is a simple technique that I am giving you, my dear. First, when you are typing, you just take that chair. Understood? Not that cozy chair. Yes, comfortable chair. No, the chair which is having the base and that is in the vertical direction. Just you keep your backbone, yes, to the base of the chair. Okay, and now you take your finger, same what the technique I said you to type it. Yes, same the technique you will apply here, and then Your eyes should not see the keys. Again, I am warning you. Your eyes should not see the keys. Your eyes will see the content from where you are going to type. So you look there and on the screen. Look there and then on the screen. This technique you have to follow. But if you are habitual to look at the keys, your speed will never be increased. So that's why I'm saying every time to you, please practice. Because as many times I have taken your practical examination, but sorry to say, many of the students, they are using only one finger to type the words. Same finger, like this, like this, like this, like this. No, you have, you have 5 year, 10 fingers you have, but this thumb only for space. Understood? But other these four that must be utilized everywhere. Understood? I hope you have understood this topic. Thank you, my dear.